Hey everyone! Today we're putting the MN99S RC Truck to the test. The MN99S RC Truck is a 1/12 scale rock crawler built like a mini Defender. Roof rack, realistic grille, and proper off-road tires. But does it actually perform like a hobby-grade crawler? Let's find out! Out of the box, you get the MN99S RC Truck, a 2.4 GHz remote, a USB charging cable, and two 1200 mAh batteries. Everything you need to start crawling. Right away, the metal upgraded chassis feels solid, the body detailing looks great, and those tires scream traction. This MN99S RC Truck packs a 280 brushed motor, full-time 4x4 drive, proportional throttle and steering, and waterproof splash-resistant electronics. Range on the 2.8 radio, up to about 100 meters. Runtime? Expect 30-40 minutes per 1200 mAh battery. And yes, with two batteries, you can double your session length. On the trail, the MN99S RC Truck surprised us. Climbing slopes up to roughly 35 degrees was very doable thanks to the torque from the 280 motor and the independent suspension. Low-speed crawl control is precise. You can feather the throttle and pick lines over rocks and roots. On loose dirt and sand, it kept traction better than we expected. Top speed sits around 15 km/h. Not a dragster, but fast enough for fun runs and drifts. Steering is pleasantly proportional. Tight turns, predictable response, and enough throw to nail technical obstacles. Build quality is solid. The metal chassis and upgraded drive shafts handle impacts well, and the body clips stay secure during flips and tumbles. The waterproofing on electronics is splash resistant, so you don't need to worry about light wet conditions. Charging takes about 2 to 3 hours per pack. The dual battery setup is a winner if you want longer sessions without downtime. Tip: keep spare batteries charged if you plan a full afternoon of crawling. So who should buy the MN99S RC Truck? If you're a hobbyist who wants scale realism plus genuine off-road performance, it's a great value. If you're a casual driver looking for speed only, this is more about crawling and realism than straight line sprinting. Want to pick one up or see the exact kit we tested? Link in the description below. Hit like if you enjoyed the test, subscribe for mods and tuning videos, and tell me in the comments what obstacle we should throw at the MN99S RC Truck next. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next trail run.